determine the casting of a certain alloy using a sand mold. It took 155 seconds for a cube shaped casting to solidify. The cube was 60 mm on each side. And first question is determine the value of mold constant in Koronov's rule. And the second question is, for the same alloy and mold, determine the total solidification time for a cylindrical casting whose diameter is 30 mm and length is 50 mm. So here this is actually casting problem. So, and the topic is solidification time, Koronov's solidification time. So according to Koronov's rule, solidification time of a casting is given by Ts is equals to K into V by As whole square. So according to Koronov's rule, solidification time of a casting, so time taken for solidification of casting, Ts is equals to K into V by As whole square. So here K is called mold constant. K is called mold constant and V is called volume of casting, and As is called total surface area of casting, okay. So here we have to find, here given initially given a casting which is in cube shape. So at the same time each side of the cube is 60 mm and it took how many seconds? 155 seconds to solidify in the mold. The cube was 60 mm on each side. So here we have to determine the value of mold constant using Koronov's rule. So in first question, he given a cube casting, each side of the cube, let us say A is equal to 60 mm. In this case we have to find mold constant. Ee case ki, so oka cube casting తీసుకుంటే mold constant K ఏమవుతుందో అడుగుతున్నాడు. He given solidification time, how much? It took 155 seconds to solidify. Okay, and according to Koronov's rule, solidification time Ts is equal to what? K into V by As whole square. So Ts how much? 155 seconds, and K into volume of casting. Volume of casting means here the shape of casting is cube. So volume of cube is A cube, side into side into side. Each side is A. At the same time, total surface area of cube 6A square. So A square get cancelled. 155 K into A by 6 whole square. So 155 is equal to K into A square by 6 square means 36. So what is the value of A? 155 seconds is equal to K into A value 60 mm. A is equal to each side 60 mm. 60 into 60 mm into 60 mm by 36. So mm into mm square. Now we need K value. Okay, let us find K value here. So here we need K value. K means mold constant. So 155 seconds is equals to K into 60 into 60, 3600 by 36 mm square. 36 ones, 36 hundreds. Transpose 100. Okay, na? So multiplication becomes division. Now K is equal to what? K is equal to 155 by 100 second per mm square. Second per mm square. So 155 by 100 is equal to what? K is equal to 1.55 second per mm square. Therefore, mold constant K is equal to 1.55 second per mm square. Okay, na? So here first question enti? He given a cube casting, and this cube casting took 155 seconds to solidify, and each side of the cube is 60 mm. So we have to find mold constant in this case using Korinov's rule. So next question is, for the same alloy, we are using same alloy use at the same time, same mold, but here the shape of casting is the cylindrical shape. This is cylindrical casting. Question B. Cylindrical casting. Now we considered cylindrical casting, and he given dimensions. Diameter of cylinder. Diameter D is equal to how much? Diameter D is equal to 30 mm, and length. Here length means height. Length or height of the cylinder. Length or height of the cylinder. Okay. H is equals to how much? 50 mm. So now we have to find solidification time. So we already have K value. Here mold is same. We are using same alloy, same mold. So there is no change in mold constant. We have to use same value. K is equal to 1.55 second per mm square. Okay. Let us find solidification time of cylindrical casting. According to Korinov's rule, total solidification time is equal to K into V by AS whole square. So here V is equal to what? Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. Okay. And AS means total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder is equal to lateral surface area plus 2 times of area of base. 2 times of area of each base. So AS is equal to lateral surface area formula 2 pi RH plus 2 times of area of base. So base of cylinder is circle. So area of circle pi r square. So AS is equal to, let us take 2 pi r common. You will get r plus h. Here h is remain and here r is remain, and you will get 2 pi r into r plus h. This is total surface area of cylindrical casting. This is volume of cylindrical casting. So here r means radius of cylinder. How much? Radius of cylinder is diameter, half of the diameter. So d by 2. So diameter of the radius. Then 30 by 2, you will get 15 mm. You will get 15 mm. Now solidification time Ts is equals to K into, so V is volume of cylindrical casting. Volume of cylindrical casting pi r square h whole divided by AS means, here what is AS? AS means total surface area of cylindrical casting 2 pi r into r plus h into r plus h. So this is the total surface area of cylindrical casting, and this is volume of cylindrical casting. Let us plug in V and AS here in Korinov's rule. Whole square. So pi get cancelled, 1 r get cancelled. You will get Ts is equals to K into r into h by 2 into r plus h whole square. By plugging values of r and h, so Ts is equals to, and what is the value of K? So here K means mold constant. I think we got 1.55. Okay, into r into h. Radius of cylindrical casting 15 mm and height of cylindrical casting 50 mm. 2 into r plus h, 15 plus 50 whole square. So now Ts is equals to 1.55 into 15 into 50 by 2 into 15 plus 50, 65 whole square. So 5 tens are 5 13s are, 2 ones are 2 5s are. So TS is equals to 1.55 into 15 5s are how much? 75 by 13 whole square. Now TS is equals to, if you simplify, you will get total solidification time for cylindrical casting. If so, 1.55 into 75 by 13 whole square. Now TS is equals to, so if you calculate value of this expression using some scientific calculator, you will get 51 point, approximately you will get 51.6 seconds. So this is total solidification time for cylindrical casting. Cylindrical casting based on Cournot's rule. Okay. So based on Cournot's rule, total solidification time of cylindrical casting is 51.6 seconds.